So welcome back guys. In today's tutorial we'll be learning on a few PHP code constructs like what is echo. So we'll be beginning with echo today. So every language has its own way of printing something on screen. Maybe C++ has cout, Java has something else, JavaScript has alert or console log. Similarly PHP has something called as echo. So we already have put our WAMP server on. So this basically shows that the WAMP server is online, and what I have done is I have taken the root and constructed basically a shortcut on the desktop. So this is basically my root folder. Inside this is the PHP basic coding basic series. So I will do one more thing. I will just save this file as echo.php. So like we have already seen, to start PHP will have to write a smaller than sign followed by a question mark and then PHP, and like at the end we just close it again by the same a question mark sign followed by a greater than sign. This starts and ends PHP construct. Now echo, like anything else, is also a function. A function by its definition will always be like this. A function will always be followed by a parenthesis and then it will have a semicolon to indicate that the function is being called. And what echo does is, the function does is, you can just put in quotes here and then you can write v echo our output. So once you do this, basically what the function does is it will echo whatever you have put inside the quotes on the screen. Okay, just we'll be refreshing this, and what we can do is we can check whether the connection with the local host has been established. There you go, it's been established. And inside PHP coding basic series, this is directly pointing to the index file, but since we have now created this echo.php, so you can see it prints out v echo our output here. But typically when you see PHP codes written, you will see that they don't put this parenthesis and it's just done like this. This will also work. We just save this, and now if I refresh it, you see the output remains the same. But my point was to show you all that echo is nothing but a built-in function of PHP, and like any other function, this function also has the same construct, that is the function name followed by the parenthesis, and inside it the arguments. In this case basically it's a string which we want to print it out on the string on the screen, sorry. So hopefully this makes sense. There are alternatives like print also does the same thing. Say if I had written print and saved it, you can see it also does the same thing. So when to use print and when to use echo, basically it's nothing like that. Echo is much faster, and echo has now basically become like more commonplace. I think when PHP first started, people would be using print, but not anymore. Now all of us are used to using echo also because it's short, and somewhere I have read that it's a bit faster compared to print. So please stick with the habit of using echo, which is anyways more preferable. Anytime you see codes and all that, you will always see echo. So this is how you would be writing echo to display code on the screen. I hope that helps. In the upcoming tutorials we'll be learning a few more basics and then progressing towards the intermediate and the master levels. Thank you.